What's going on, people? It's your boy, Money Matt, coming back to you from the set. Man, got a package in the mail today. And first off, I'd like to apologize right off the bat. You wanna know why? I bought a pair of shoes I actually don't know if I really liked. I always say, I buy what I like. This one, I don't know how I feel about it. What we talking about today? We talking about these things right here, man. Red cements, bruh. I know. Fours are gonna do what fours do. I don't care about all of that. I care about whether I really like the shoe or not. I went for these. I really did. I ain't go hard for them, but I went for them. Obviously, it was an easy cop because I got them. But upon further review, I pull them out the box. I look at them. I'm like, all right, I don't know. Did I really need these? Did I really need these? Look at the quality on them though. I mean, you got tumble leather everywhere on this shoe, man. And all right, I'm capping, bro. I'm capping 100%. I did need these. I did need these. Why? I don't have the white cements, and I know those are way better than these. But I don't. Okay. All right. Hear me out. I didn't need them, but I liked them. If that makes sense. Yeah. So I'm no longer capping. I didn't need them, but I liked them. So that's why I got them. It's red, man. It's red and black and white. I do like the fact that the mesh here on the upper is white instead of black. I do like that. What I don't know if I'm feeling or not is the actual red cement. I know that's crazy. That's why I bought the shoe, right? But I don't, upon further review, it don't wow me. It's just another Jordan 4 at this point, right? But I did need a majority white Jordan 4, and I wasn't spending that bread to get the white cements. I wasn't doing that. And if you've been watching this channel long enough, you know I ain't doing that. I'm not paying over retail for a pair of shoes. Okay, let me stop. On special occasions, I will. This wasn't that special occasion. But I think what I got on my mind is that Jordan 2 black cement. That's what's on my brain right now. That's 100% what's on my brain right now. And I think whatever other sneakers I get between the time those drop, because I was actually trying to get those early, and the prices for my size 12 is ridiculous. I ain't doing that. Not for my foot, not for no content, not doing it. I can wait because it's 50-50 right now. I hear a lot of hype about it, but it's like low-key hype. But then it's a Jordan 2. So we all know how those do. They be easily accessible. And I seen a video earlier today where it was a ton of them, of the OG Jordan 2s at the outlet. So we gonna hold out hope, man. But in the meantime, they smell good, dog. They smell good. They look good. I just got to get my head wrapped around the axle on these. But you know what? What's going to happen is when I go to the toe of these, then my whole mindset is going to change. That's exactly what's going to happen. Man. I ain't mad at it. It's my money. I'm spending it on what I want to spend it on, right? It's your money. You spend it on what you want to spend it on, right? But for me, normally when I get a sneaker and I bought it, it's an instant like, oh, this time it wasn't that. It was like, all right. I wasn't even waiting on the FedEx guy to drop them off. They dropped them off and yeah, that was it. So I'm gonna get off my soapbox, man. Thanks for watching the video, man. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because we are on a mission here at the set to reach, I know, it's a very small number, but 270 subscribers before the month of October. As of today, it is September 14th, and we have about, let's see, maybe about 50 more subscribers, 40 more subscribers to go. It may not even be that much, but it's a small goal. But we're gonna eat this elephant one bite at a time. And we're gonna make this channel pop off, and we're gonna be to the moon, as my boy Mike Rich would say. It's your boy Money Matt, man. That's all I got for you today, man. Did you cop, or did you let them stay in the store? Is this for the toe, or it's a no-go? Let your boy know, man. I'm out. Gone. Oh, and one more thing for today, man. What did get me excited today was, of course, you already know this is the set. We talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys, right? I got a toy in today, and that is what actually made me very excited. I know, whatever, it's a toy, but man, that's the Michael Jackson Funko Pop, bruh. Look at the curls, man. Look at the, come on, bruh. With the Thriller jacket on, bruh. Stop it, knock it off. This was a must-have for the collection. Gotta have it. Oh, and it's red and black. If MJ would have wore these from the other MJ, but man, stop. All right, man, I'm gone, bro. I just had to hit you with one more, because this actually made me excited today. This right here. Pre-ordered it, came in today, and man, it's got the MJ logo on the back and everything, boy. Hey, a day for MJ and MJ. Gone.